Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to set up the sidebar. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Sidebar exists on almost every page of the website, which affects the overall customer experience. It also plays a great role in the website where navigation, what user clicks on, and how long they stay on the website. Sidebars helps visitors in accessing the information quickly. You can use the given interface to enable disable sections on the right sidebar or left sidebar. Let's have a look into the admin. First of all, we need to go to store personalization, click on sidebar management. Using the given interface, we have given options to enable or disable sections on the right sidebar and left sidebar. From the icons next to each dropdown, you can choose which items to hide under the sections and save it. When we go to storefront, you can see the sidebar is enabled. Also, with each section, we have given a brief description stating which URL are included into the same. Next, we have sidebar widget. Every widget on your sidebars allows your website visitors to interact well with your website's services and features. Widgets aim to fulfill your conversion goals for each specific page. For example, if you want to show contact us detail section listing on the left sidebar, you have to go to edit. Here you need to change the position from right side to the left sidebar, and here you can save it. So when you go to the front, here you can see on the product page, it's showing contact us details on the left hand sidebar. So in this way, you can manage your sidebars on your website. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further queries or concern, you can connect to us. Thank you.